Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Cut Easy Guide. Prepare a clean workspace and wear eye protection before you begin cutting. Read the manual and check blades for damage, then clamp your material securely. Begin with a practice piece to set blade depth and speed, mark cut lines, and move slowly until you gain confidence. Pause to adjust settings for cleaner, safer results and finish. Set up Easy Cut on a stable surface and secure your workpiece with clamps to prevent movement. Select the correct blade and install it carefully, following the instructions inside the box. Adjust cutting speed and depth based on material and test on scrap to dial settings in. Keep a brush to clear debris and a push stick for narrow cuts, and always maintain steady hands for safe operation. Use smooth, consistent motions and let the blade do the work while you guide the material slowly and steadily. For curved cuts, make relief cuts to reduce stress and keep accuracy high without forcing the tool. Break long cuts into shorter passes to maintain control and minimize heat buildup. Clean the blade often to keep cuts smooth, and always reposition the material rather than twist it to finish tricky angles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.